Welcome to Kevin Frank channel. In today's video, I want to trade signal from Jeffery Benson. There are reasons why I do some of these things. Not that I don't trade forex myself, but for content's sake, I just want to try out some forex mentors. All right. So welcome to my channel. If this kind of content you like watching, please like this video. Also subscribe to our channel. We are going to give you content like this back to back. Remember, we also do reviews on prop firms, reviews on online platforms to save you from scams. I greet you, boss. No be you, touch that guy. No, help me touch that guy. Touch that account manager. Yeah, no, touch that guy. I greet you. You manage account for people when you can't even trade your own personal accounts. I greet you, senior one. Now, welcome back, guys. First of all, on Monday, Jeffery Benson didn't drop signals, and it's quite understandable. Why? Because he doesn't trade on Monday. Then Tuesday, he didn't drop signal. Today is Wednesday. I'm going to wait for him to drop a setup. If he does, I will trade his setup. If he doesn't, then we wait for him on Thursday or Friday. If you want to join my own Telegram channel, the link is in my description box. Please join us there. We drop signals back to back, and we are profitable. So you can also check our contents too there. All right. We're going to go for a short break now. When we come back, we will dive into the video if he drops a signal. But if he doesn't, then that will be on Thursday. Do not go anywhere.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
Welcome back, guys. For those of you who don't know who Jeffery Benson is a forex trader and someone who makes a lot of money from mentorship programs. All right, he trades forex. He makes money from mentorship programs. He also makes money from YouTube revenues and so many places. So he's a billionaire in Nigeria. All right. While we wait for him to drop a setup, guys, please note this. Remember, I am a forex trader. I don't depend on people's signal. In fact, let me say this. I can remember in 2021, right? I took a trade from Jeffery Benson. My account was like 50,000 naira, right? I was a novice then. So I took that account successfully to 20,000 naira. That is loss, right? Then I was depressed. I was like, who is going to raise this account to a bigger one? I decided to join Fire Pips, that is Jeffery Benson's trading signal group in Telegram. So, you know, I wanted to level up, like take his signal. So once he dropped, I can remember this trade, he said buy GBPUSD. As he's dropping the buy setup, I'm also buying with that 14,000 naira account because I was greedy anyway. All right, I wanted to level up. As I'm buying, the trade went into sell. First of all, everybody took loss, even the Jeffery Benson himself. Then that account went. I blew up that account, that 14,000 naira. Sorry, 20,000 naira, which I wanted to, you know, flip. And then it has happened severally to some other mentor. I mean, it has happened in so many other occasions where I've tried to take signals from people. You know, most of the time it doesn't end well. So I have stopped taking signals from people. All right. So, but I'm just doing this for content's sake before commentators start talking whatever they like. All right. So let's check if he has dropped a setup now. If he does, we are going to jump into that setup immediately.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, he has dropped something real quick. So let's go. He said apply proper risk management, right? I think he's buying GBPUSD. Yeah, he's buying GBPUSD. But this setup has already started running in profit. But it's fine. I think I'll have to wait for it to retrace. When he come back to his point of entry, I will start buying. Because he dropped it when he's already moving. So I don't understand. I'll just adjust mine so that or just wait for it to come a little bit down, then I'll hop into the trade. All right, so don't go anywhere. This will be more like a live trade. All right, I'll update you on the trade. If it's in profit or in loss, then so be it. This is where his stop loss is, not too far, very tight one. So I hope he achieves a profit in this. So let's go. Alright, I think I have to hop into this trade now. I have a $100 account with this, so let me go into the trade. I won't go much on the risk because I don't too trust the signal, right? So let's just use 0.02. I'll add another position now, another 0.02. Okay, I won't be greedy. I'll just add another one also. Let me use another 0.02. Remember, we are buying GBPUSD. Okay, so that is 0.04 plus 0.02. That's total of 0.08. So let me add one more. That's 0.1. 0.1 in total. So I have 4, yeah. Okay, I just hopped in from here. Let's see what goes, man. Let's see what goes, man. Remember, he has been, he's in the trade already, and the trade is coming down. He joined, he dropped it when the trade is running in profit. Okay. Okay, the trade is coming back to entry point. That is his entry point now. It's going back to his entry point. So let's see how it goes. Remember, we are already running in loss. Forex doesn't waste time in doing something like this. -3 USD. Total of 0.9 lots. 0.09. Stop loss value will be 1 point. Let me just add it up now. 1.25642. I'll just copy this and then add it to other places. Alright. Remember, I opened 4 positions, so I just have to update this stop loss there. Trading live with Jeffery Benson. He said we should buy GBPUSD. We are buying GBPUSD, right? And we are running in loss already. Okay. Okay. The trade is heading downwards. I don't know why, but on God, we are buying GBPUSD, and it is not buying. Not buying. Hopefully it might buy. You cannot tell, alright? And Jeff is not saying anything yet. He dropped the signal when it is already in profit. I don't understand, but it's fine. -3.9. Let me see the chart from here. Setup never dropped. Trade is already going to stop loss position. What's the meaning of that? Don't give up, guys. Don't give up, guys. We are still on it. Let's see how it goes. This thing is going to my stop loss value. Going to my stop loss value. Okay, it's fine. -5.5. -5.5, guys. Yeah, it's going with a bold momentum to the stop loss side. Jeffery Benson, you see, -4. Okay, I think there's hope somewhere. Okay, I didn't go wide on this because I think I know fish out. You understand? C-6. The distance between this and my stop loss is no longer much, as you can see now. The distance between this and my SL is not far again. -8 USD. Imagine if I took one lot on this, okay? One savior candle is up and I'm trying to change the story. Let's see, guys. Trying to reverse from the point of SL. With God, okay, it's going up, guys. Bullish. It's going up, guys. Jeffery Benson signal -3.21. -3 hour. This candlestick should just save us from this, right? Good. Yes. I think we are, from Jeff Benson's perspective, he should be in profit by now because this is his entry position. Alright, this is how he entered his own, so he should be in profit by now. But those that jumped in from where he dropped the signal are still in loss, basically. But he's in profit if that his drop setup is what he followed, alright? And then myself, I'm in profit now, as you can see, guys. So my profit, okay, hopefully, let's see how it goes, man. Let's see how it goes. Yes, it's going up in profit now. 2 USD. 3.27 USD. Yes, you know, when profit is coming up this way, you get more energy. For those that are saying you're emotional in trading and commenting all sorts of things, it seems you stole the money you use in trading. If not, you won't be talking what you are talking on the comment section. Okay, we're in profit. Everybody in profit, even those that jumped in late are all in profit. Okay, now we have news coming up. I don't know how this news is going to be, if it's going to affect the market positively or negatively. Let's watch and see. You know, news sometimes can be crazy. Can just 4.8 USD. This is wonderful. 4.8. Now the news has dropped, guys. The news has dropped, and of course, sorry. You see, there was a kind of 1.92. There's a kind of high volatility right now. Minus 0.69 USD. But some of you that take signal from people, actually, you are trying because you pass through a lot. It's not easy. Following somebody said, this thing is going to the stop loss again. It is heading to that way. You see? Because taking signal from someone means believing in whatever analysis the person has done. You don't even know if he did it correctly or not. Now look at it. Minus 4.3 USD. From profit to red, from red to that, you know. Alright. We are going to take a break now, alright? I'll take a short break now and come back later. Because this trade, it seems, is not going to play out now. So, to make the video kind of short, I'm going to go out now and come back and check the trade later. So, do not go anywhere. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel while this trade runs. Whether it's in profit or in loss. I will still update you guys about the rest of the video. Don't go anywhere.
A few moments later.
Alright, welcome back, guys. This is after 2 hours, alright? In fact, this is 3 hours. Okay, I just went out and I'm back, right? So I'll open my chart now and see if this trade is in profit or the trade has hit our stop loss. Because before we left, the trade was so close to our stop loss value. So I believe it's supposed to have hit stop loss, okay? But you never can tell. I'm going to open my MT5 now and show the progress. Don't go anywhere. So let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is mad. Massive profit from Jeffery Benson. Let's see the amount we are making from this. This is massive, and it's hanging in profit. 62 USD, 62.31 USD, just from 0.09 lot size. Wow, that is mad. That's crazy. In fact, I believe screenshot was at full everywhere. Let's check on his Telegram channel. Yeah, it's dropped already video there. Profit has been taken, and trust me, Instagram screenshots will be there also. All right, that's a nice one from Jeffery Benson. You see what it is. Sometimes in forex you take loss, but the idea is risk to reward. Let your profit cover your losses. Okay, all right. So you must take loss. Loss is inevitable in trading. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel. Join us on the Telegram session where we drop signals daily, and then you'll be blessed. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.